Hey beautiful, are you tired of the smudging, the creasing, the fallout from a smoky eye? Well, I have for you some pro tips to help you to fix those problems. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click the bell so you're notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I drop new episodes, and let's jump right into those pro tips. So the first thing is that you're going to want to prime your eyelid with a primer, and what that does is it keeps everything in place. Nothing's going to smudge, nothing is going to move. The second thing is to spray with a setting spray. This way everything just kind of stays put. And then finally, my favorite tip is to take some translucent powder before you do the eye makeup and kind of set this underneath the eye. And this is going to catch any fallout. So once you've done your smoky eye, you just take the brush and you're just going to sweep away all of that fallout and you're left with a fresh face. Also, here's a bonus tip. Do your foundation after you do your eyes. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Go ahead and go in the description box below because I have some other videos, one for a 3-minute smoky eye look that's just very basic, but it's gorgeous. You're gonna love it. And also there is a freebie for 8 tips and tricks and common mistakes for women over 40 when it comes to makeup. Until next time, happy blending. Mwah. Bye-bye.